Welcome to my another tutorial video. In this video I will show that how to fix Instagram post not showing or no post yet problem on Instagram. Please solve this problem. You can follow the step. First of all, open your phone setting. Please check your internet or Wi-Fi connection or mobile data properly. Step 2. Open Play Store. Tap on search. Tap on search bar. Tap on Instagram. Please update your Instagram application. Step 3. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Tap on manage apps. Search Instagram application. Tap on Instagram. Then you can tap storage. Tap on clear data. Tap on clear cache. Step 4. Open your Instagram app. Tap on profile picture. Then tap on 3 line or horizontal line. Scroll down. Tap on help. Tap on report a problem. Tap on report problem. Then you can tap include and continue. You can briefly explain your Instagram problem. You can briefly explain your Instagram problem. How to fix Instagram post not showing or not yet problem. Send your report. Again open your Instagram apps. Refresh your Instagram application. Tap on profile picture. Then you can solve this problem. Your Instagram post, videos, reels are showing. In this video helpful for us. Please like and subscribe my channel.